So this video was filmed in 2016. It was lost, it was found, and now I've decided to upload it. Enjoy! The actual card collection was handed down to me from a good friend. It was missing like just a handful, probably like 11 cards, and I'm super keen on helping complete this set. But that is another journey. He even added these, which are pre-release Misty's Seedra cards. I don't know why he had so many. Lastly, being the card enthusiast that he is or was, not sure, but he still has a huge collection. My hands are trembling just holding these. You know how excited I am, but at the same time nervous? Like, there's a little part of me that wants to open these things, but at the same time, once they're open, they lose value. I've never really been lucky with booster packs or any rare pulls. Might be risky, but do you know how long it's been since I've opened one of these? Like these in particular. I promised my brother, since he's the one that kind of put the idea in my head. I swear, movie Inception, the actual idea of the movie itself, take note from that movie because those tactics work. You can actually put ideas into people's heads. I'm gonna give him the Venusaur pack because I remember when we were children and he keeps reminding me. He pulled a Charizard from one of these things right in front of my face, and we got those booster packs for free from our haircutter lady right after we both got our haircuts. We were kids and these make us happy. Heck, no, these make me happy all the time. These I'm just gonna try my luck on and hope for the best. I think that's the order. No, it's like this. So I'm going to start off with the Venusaur pack, and before I open this, I'm going to give the contents of it to my brother because I promised him, and he told me that he has a feeling that there's either going to be a Clefairy or a Chansey in this, so I don't know, we'll see. I've always had the worst of luck with raring pulls at all, so we'll see. Kind of nervous, and at the same time, super excited because it's been ages since I've actually even held one of these, so having 3 in my possession is, it's kind of overwhelming. Just kidding. I don't know, like I said, once I open these, they're definitely gonna lose their value, but at the same time, I really have no idea what's in these, and I don't know, let's see what we get. And I have my binder here just in case I do pull out anything spectacular, so I can keep it in mint condition and I can quickly put it inside a plastic case. I'm gonna try my hardest to keep the packaging in pristine condition just because I want to try to preserve the packaging. I remember when I was a kid, I'd collect the packaging and I'd store it underneath my bed to flatten it out, and I have no idea what happened to that collection. Here we go. Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous. Man, come on, come on. There you go. Here we go. This is the first booster pack that I've opened, and it is the Venusaur pack. Here we go. I got a Tangela. First card, Tangela. Staryu. Squirtle. Even the smell is nostalgic. Potion. Got a Ghastly. Dude, I really don't know what to expect. I forgot how many cards even came in this. Energy. Here we go. Oh my god. My heart's gonna stop. Oh my god. My heart just pulled a Chansey. I think this guy's going straight. And the rest, I got a Dratini and a Porygon and a Pokédex. But this Chansey is going straight into this binder. Yo, my brother called it too. He told me either I'm getting a Clefairy or a Chansey in this booster pack, and I promised I'd give him the Venusaur one too. So that's insane that he actually called that. Charmander comes after Venusaur, so let's open the Charizard pack. Now again, I'm going to try to be careful with the opening of these actual packages because I want to try to preserve them. They open just like the last one. Really have no idea what to expect from this pack. But let's see. Woo! Alright, we got a Weedle, a Sandshrew, Coughing, Metapod, nice, Pikachu. Alright, we're nearing whatever rare or holographic is supposed to be in here. A couple of energies. Zapdos. Dude, oh, my heart stopped for a second. And then a Machoke, Professor Oak, and a Dugong. And I'm gonna quickly put this guy in a case right beside the Chansey. Man. Alright, let's open the third one now. Okay, so I don't know if it's because of the packs that he gave me or what, but so far we're 2 for 2 on the rare scale, because I'm pretty stoked on the cards that I've received so far. But now I'm going to open the third pack that I have, which is the Blastoise one. Again, try to be careful with the opening of this pack. In all honesty, like, it wasn't in my plan to ever come across these original Wizards of the Coast booster packs ever again since however long they've been gone for, but alright, here we go. Let's see what we got in this pack. We have a Ghastly, as expected, a couple of the common ones, Caterpie. And honestly, like, the fresh card smell is still there even. We have a Pikachu, a Poliwag, energy removal. Here we go. What is it? Another energy. What? An Alakazam, which is number 1 out of 102 on the base set. So I'm gonna say that this is also a pretty good pull. And the rest, which is a Growlithe, another Dugong, and a Haunter. Now I'm gonna put this guy in as well. Make sure these guys are also pristine in their condition. From the pulls, I got these 3 guys, Chansey, an Alakazam, and a Zapdos. To be honest, I'm speechless, but I don't want to show that too much on the camera because I'm a grown man. Yeah, these were the cards that I received from my friend Jordan, which is one of my friends that I've had the privilege of being introduced to over Instagram. If you haven't already, check out my latest art video, which is the Charmander sleeping on Totoro. I don't even know how to pronounce it. All the links that I've told you guys to already check out are down below. Yeah, that's it. Dude, I'm so happy. That's it. That's all. Oh my golly, what is that chair doing there? That's it. That's all. I should make this a regular thing. You know what? I'm gonna be working towards getting myself a P.O. box, so that way any of you guys who care enough can send me things that I'll probably hoard. That has become my life. Honestly, I'm gonna be filling this space up with different sorts of artworks from a variety of different peoples. Yeah, I'm just sick of seeing my own stuff. I don't know who else gets like that, but for me, it's nicer to have different outlooks, you know, different mindsets to draw influence from. So all the links that I would like you guys to visit are down there, just for kicks. You find that you're spending hours on the internet clicking away on Reddit or stumble upon or something. I'd rather you go grab some beautiful insight from the wondrous works that these people do and just live on with life through the beauty of art. I'm so lame. For now, that's it. Thank you.
Jeez, I look even younger now, I think. Nah, just kidding. We're still the same. I look the exact same. It's just I'm way more comfortable in front of the camera, especially watching this over. It's so cringe and awkward just to see myself from what I was like 5 years ago. But seriously though, guys, what a trip down memory lane. And remember, this was before Pokemon cards came back in like around 2018 because of the internet. The original Wizards of the Coast Pokemon card booster packs were like super highly sought after and rare to find. And if you did find them, they'd be on eBay for like 300 bucks a pop. So my friend Jordan, who I actually met through Instagram, who's actually become fairly famous now with his traveling photos. It's pretty crazy how far this kid's gone. But shout outs to you, Jordan. Thank you again for allowing me the opportunity to do this opening 5 years ago. I mean, I should have released this when I edited it, but I don't know what happened. Oh, it was this. This was what I wanted to get to, guys. This external hard drive. It's a 1 terabyte hard drive with tons of lost vlogs, man. I mean, there's a basement tour, COD update. I have voiceovers of me playing through COD. PAX trip to Seattle in 2016, like 3 days worth. First time my car ever got impounded. Can't believe I never even edited this vlog.
So thankful I brought my skate. Now I'm just making my way to the impound lot. I'm in the middle of Golden, BC with absolutely no idea where I'm going.
2016 was when I went pretty much full time in trying to expand the apparel brand Kings Must Rise and also grow the automotive car channel. So that's why I lacked in uploading videos on this side of my life, but I'm back and actually expect a lot more videos from me from now on. I promise, guys. I think it was because I was using this external hard drive for gaming and I had it like pretty much pushed to the back of underneath my gaming desk. And then after I forgot about that at my parents' house and moved to this new house, I got this 2 terabyte hard drive, which I've been using for the past 2 years, and completely forgot about this one. But then, because this morning I wanted to try and edit this Christmas trip that I took with my family in 2019, I was gonna upload it as a pre-COVID New York experience because it was so lit, man. And New York during Christmas, like you guys all know, it's so crazy. Hopefully I can still find those because I'm gonna edit it and upload it to this channel. But my plan was to just release a bunch of these lost vlogs because even though they're old for me, they're still new to you guys. So I'm not gonna let that stop me from editing and uploading them. But yeah, that's it, guys. I just kind of wanted to leave on a higher note than leave you with my awkwardness on my old vlog. So lots to look forward to, guys. Thanks for watching and peace be with you.